All them chips is hollow, bulletproof SUV. It's a motherfucking Tahoe. Need my money fast, real fast, like pronto. Sipping on.
I hate letting my car get this dirty. Like you can see all that dust and stuff. I hate letting my car get like this, but like I just never get time to clean it or take it to get somebody or have somebody clean it for me. I need to do it ASAP because this is bothering me. I can't stand my car being dirty like that. How you doing, buddy? All right. What's up, my guy? Tap in on my guy, Ramirez Detailing.
Yes, sir. I'm doing it by hand right now. It's got,
Oh, you got the bezel off?
yeah, the 4 7mm screws. I got 3 of them off. As soon as you get that one. But the bezel, they're not tight. You can do it by hand. So you know, I just got the bezel plastic piece off. You use the little flathead.
What? Once you get, what is it, these 4?
Yeah, these 4 right there.
And then you just unclip it from these 2. And then after that, you have to take this part out.
Got the new screen right here.
So that's the difference between both of them.
Just need 7 more.
And then once you get to this part, it's just 3, 4, 5 clips. And then you just push it while you're popping the clips off, and then you pop it into
You just fit it into the new one. I'm gonna do it the back side. Just make sure it all clips in, doesn't fall out. Get a couple hits.
And then you plug these 2. Oh, we'll do this one first. This is that one.
Yeah, we'll do that one first.
Did it go this way?
Yeah. There it goes.
This one, I remember this one goes down.
Okay, and then I'm just. Oh shit. Alright.
Turn it on, see if it loads.
Turns on.
At least the buttons work.
They said we need to switch the
oh, you said the
thingies.
oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, at least this, you know, this works right now for now.
Yeah, so I won't bother you.
Then you gotta pop these 2. And then there's 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know what is this, T15? Yeah. And it's just 4 of them. You gotta take these out. So we're gonna try not unplugging these and just swapping out the top one with the newer one and see if that'll get the screen going. So you just have to unplug all the clips. Did you have to take anything out from the back?
No, just this. We swap these, yeah. You just plug it in, like, makes it easy.
Yeah.
They're all plugged in. So. And then I'll swap these bottom ones out too.
Fuck! Fucking fell in the puddle, bro. Oh, bro, I'm hot. Anyways, we got the screen in. And then we gotta take out that module that's in there.
Yeah, it is a model.
Yeah, but now the truck don't start, so we gotta go to Chevy now.
I wanted this one.
So this shit controls the truck. And then still gotta put this back in because this shit don't work. He has to get
get it by Friday.
You gotta get the 2.5. What was it?
2.5
HMI
module.
Yeah. Just so I can run the newer screen. So now I gotta put this back in. At least now we know how to take this shit out though. Now we have to take this shit back off. Oh shit. So now we're back to stock.
Just 2 hours.
But it's alright, because we ordered this one.
Nah, that was hella quick.
We get it by Friday. Thought we could put the other one back on. Where's it? There it is. It's clockwork now though. We know how to do this. She'll do it in like 20 minutes. Alright. Ready? Go. Hold on. Alright, turn it on. That nigga don't give a fuck. I should have bought a fucking chart.
I wasted like 10 miles worth of gas right there. Auto down shit. Like that.
Bro?
Yeah, auto down for what? Auto right man.
Man, there's a Lambo SUV. So we came back to his house. I'm gonna get return some stuff from Lowe's, and then go back, wash our cars with our boy Jose. And after that, probably get some food or something. Just chill, cause there's not much to do right now with this whole quarantine shit. So we'll see.
Oh, the blade. Hey,
Oh.
the blade? Dangerous activity.
For real.
Kind of bitch.
Hey, look,
With the daily vlogs.
the Yukon got a little dimple in the bag, little baby dent.
My first time here.
We
Like, how much can we return for 2 hoes and a sawzall? Oh, look at that's a bounce that ass. Fuck, how did it do good? But he'll be chilling like this, little coat on.
Yeah, if you run out of toilet paper, you can always use this.
Strongest on the
Super
block.
strong, ultra absorbent. I thought it was a minivan.
She said, damn, that mom's packing. And then when they look at me, you know, it's a bitch. Well, let me find out I got to pull this little ass blade on you. Oh shit. Oh! Wanna get cut, bitch? we got custom fitting. You know, it's for the tent. You just gotta cut it out where the officer can see you. I don't give a fuck if I gotta come back at fucking 8 o'clock at night. While I get my shit washed. That shit's gonna be a wash.
He's like, either way,
Well, motherfucker.
it's all paint
Like,
shit.
it's been breathing bugs for the past week.
We drink 10 each.
Yeah, we all.
Bro, that's a fucking heart attack, bro.
I have 10 a day.
Yeah, but that's you. Bro, I told you I almost had a fucking heart attack this morning. Like 2 in the morning, bro. I woke up and I was tripping because like my heart was just pounding. And it's because this guy made me get 2 for.
Hey, 2 for 4.
Yeah, but still, bro, I drank both
Wait,
of them.
what was the? I forgot what the total price was. I heck, I memorized. Remember, it was.
It's almost 6 something.
It was no. I'm talking about the 2.
275 or 265.
No, 475.
For 2.
Yeah, okay, I remember. Remember the prices for 2 for 475, and then 1 for 319, and the other one, the 3 is for 643.
The fuck? Oh
This.
shit. I'll fix it later.
Oh, we can just leave it on the ground for right now, dude. Just nice and easy. Rest in peace, man. What are we gonna do with this?
Oh, look at this thing, got a dog. Just chilling. Alright.
Yeah, that's a friendship.
Hold on.
Oh, we're all doing it. What?
You don't give a
I
fuck.
think he's lying.
One a day keeps the heart attacks away. This guy drinks like 10 a day.
Possibly 5, 10. Yeah. Wait, what do you gotta say?
You sure? So sure.
Are you sure? Here you go, Tuck, watch.
No, bitch,
Oh,
I'm
what
trying to give you
the
knuckles.
Brand new.
What about my knuckles?
Like, he's trying
Say what's up to you,
Oh,
this
shit.
nigga.
I thought you were recording my knuckles. I was like,
Ashy ass knuckles, nigga. You about to get me buttered up too or what? Alright. Tap in with my guy. Let him know what you do, man. Just wash, that's it. That's it. Yeah, he gives you the swirl special.
Yeah, swirl special, bro.
You don't dry it, leaves you water spots.
Yeah.
So tap in for that water spot special.
I'm done. All you got to do is dive for a spin.
So like I said, you know, we leave water spots out here.
You can. There's a whole quarantine thing where serious.
What?
What?
Now I got my car washed, or his truck in my car. Now I came to Stockton because I dropped my puff. I showed it in the video before. Fucking fell in the puddle, bruh. So now I have to buy another one. So now I'm about to pull up on my boy's smoke shop, get another one. Probably get something to eat and then probably just go back home. It's 4:20. I didn't even smoke today. I'm still sober. It's 7:30. I don't know what I'll do with my life.
You live?
Yep. Shout yourself out, bro. New shop. Let them know. Got everything here, bro. What's up, I need another puff, bro. I just dropped my shit.
Oh, you lied.
I swear to God, that shit fell in my pocket. Alright, bro.
Alright, bro.
Out here in Stockton. So I was on smoke shop. So I got my new one since the last one fell. Probably ain't gonna do nothing else because oh yeah, so because my clutcher don't work, I have to use this to get my shit in the gear every time. Look at the hole right here. Yeah. Shout out to lowering my car, having no warranty because now I gotta pay out of pocket for all this shit because, you know, everybody said go low. Trust me, like, it looks good. It's all fun and games until you start breaking parts and then you start buying shit all the time because you keep breaking stuff. But I don't know, it's worth it for me, but at the same time, the shit hurts my pockets and I ain't working right now, so I'm trying to keep it as reliable as possible but still look decent on the road. So yeah.
My dog like Rollo, all them chips is hollow, bulletproof SUV, it's a motherfucking Tahoe. Need my money fast, real fast, like pronto. Sipping on that pink smoke green, like Wanda and Cosmo.